Today, I'm going to show you how to track mileage in QuickBooks Online. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the left side menu, click Expenses. Then select Mileage. This opens the mileage area where you can view and manage your recorded trips. You may also see an option to download the QuickBooks mobile app if you want to track mileage while you are on the go. To add a trip manually, click Add Trip. Now enter the trip date. Next, enter the starting location and ending location. If you know the exact addresses, add them so your records are clear. Then enter the total distance for the trip. Choose whether the trip was business or personal. This is important because only business trips should be used for business mileage tracking. Next, enter the purpose of the trip. For example, you can write client meeting, site visit, supply pickup, or another short note explaining why the trip happened. Then select the vehicle you used. If this was a round trip, turn on the round trip option if it is available. Review the date, locations, distance, trip type, purpose, and vehicle. Once everything looks correct, click Save. The trip will now appear in your mileage list. From there, you can review, edit, or manage your mileage records whenever needed. And that's how to track mileage in QuickBooks Online in 2026.